There she is. All she needs now is a paint job. Again. But door functions. Perfect. Of course, gonna vacuum this out. I got that rack cleaning right now on the back grill. Yeah. 16 by 30. That's gonna cook some serious meat there, folks. But what do y'all think? Looks like Facebook is hooking me up with stars. So if you guys like these resto projects, let me know. Support it with some stars. On the other side of there is my next project. It's a pickup. Yeah. So this is it, guys. Just another interior paint job, exterior touch up, and she is ready for carnage.